Thought I would do a follow-up video on this Aiwa automatic turntable. This is a stereo full automatic turntable system, the model PXE860. There have been various incarnations of it made through the years. Usually they're just different color. I would like to show a few things that other videos don't point out about this particular one. Let me remove the... It is belt drive. Well, that's in most videos. If you can see it. There you go. And also it has a built-in preamp, which you can shut off. There's a switch. I have mine in the off position because I have it connected to this old Philips receiver with a phono input. So I'll put the platter mat back on there. It does have a 45 adapter. I'm going to show off something in a second. I get the tone arm queued up so I can show you what's underneath here. And those holes there are for motor speed adjustment if you need to do that. Then there's some for lead-in arm return, and I'm not sure what SW does. If anyone knows, let me know, but I don't touch it because it works fine. Now I'll play a record. I should mention this is a 2-speed turntable. It plays 33 and 45 RPM. That is the record size selector switch. Here it's labeled 30 and 17. So 30 is for 12-inch and 17 is for 7-inch. So I will hit the start button, play a little bit of this record for you. Oh, that was just for demonstration purposes. I had just pressed the cut button to make it eject, and the arm returns. One thing now, there is no hold down for this, so the tone arm. So if you move it somewhere, you may want to take a twist tie or something. Make sure it's secure, and even if you still have... This is a new needle, so I still have the box it came in, so I could just put it back in there if I had to. That's all for this video.